Hey guys, Casey.Sanguins here at Guaranty RV in Junction City, Oregon. We're out here on this beautiful January day, bare in the rain, to show you this 2016 Keystone Hideout 24 RLSWE. Walk around or outside a little bit. Over on the opposite side, you've of course got your full pass-through storage, open from either side. All of your hookups are back here. You have an outside shower, black tank flush, it's very nice. All of your hookups are right here in one convenient spot. Of course, got a nice big slide. Let's walk around the other side and take a look at the other side and go inside. We've got dual propane tanks. The other side to the pass-through storage. It is pre-wired for solar. Nice dual entry doors. We'll look at that on the inside. We've got power over here for a TV and a mount, so you can mount a TV on the outside, watch the big game next to the campfire if you choose. Of course, the nice power awning and your outdoor speakers. Now this is the 24 RLSWE, the rear lounge. This is a 24-foot rear lounge. They're not very common, but with the rear lounge, you get the nice big back window, back up to the ocean. You can see the view, two nice chairs in the back. At night, close that back down, you've got some privacy. Nice light in this lot of windows. Cool thing about this dinette, it's a nice traditional dinette, or you can turn the table and have a full wraparound booth dinette, but you also, for extra storage, have a nice little pull-out treasure chest. Lots of extra storage, easy to get to. There is still storage underneath the seats as well. Accessible through a door on that side, just through here up on this side. Got a couple nice drawers over here in the kitchen. Plenty of room to keep all your goodies. Cabinet space. Good cabinet space around. You've got full cabinets all around the back. Plus a nice little pantry space over here. Let's open that up and see what's in there. Great pantry space, or you could pull those shelves out and use it as a wardrobe. A couple drawers down at the bottom as well. Moving forward, you've of course got your full stove, microwave oven, nice big two-door fridge and freezer. Again, this is only a 24-foot trailer with all of these amenities in it. Full entertainment system here, storage above and below, of course, your DVD player, radio, all the good stuff. Nice pocket door here, more pantry space. Again, 24-foot trailer, tons of storage. Ducted air conditioning throughout, and you get up in here into the bedroom. This is definitely a two-person coach. Very nice bathroom. You've got the shower that's part of the bedroom. It does have a curtain here to get a little bit of privacy, but the nice thing about these is you step out of the bathroom, or out of the shower rather, and you have a little bit of room to get dressed. You have a nice separate water closet, if you will, here for just the toilet. Plenty of room to do what you need to do. Full queen size bed. You're of course going to have the storage underneath with the strong arms to help hold it up, and your wardrobes on either side of the bed. You do have power on both sides. Not a ton of storage here, or a ton of shelf space if you have a CPAP or anything like that you need to set, but plenty of room for a cell phone or whatever else you may be, maybe a nightcap, a midnight drink. Storage up above. I did notice back in the back as well, you've got a couple USB chargers, so you can charge your phone off a 12-volt system. Again, my name's Casey.Sanguins. If you have any questions, I'd love to hear from you. Give me a call, 541-953-9171. Let's talk soon.